What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we will be looking at our Python exercise tutorial series. Without any further ado, let's get to it. Okay, we have exercise 15. Develop a Python program that will read in a duration from the user as a number of days, hours, minutes, and seconds. Compute and display the total number of seconds represented by this duration. Okay, so looking at this exercise, guys, we can see that the program requires us to basically calculate the total number of seconds in a given time frame, and that given time frame will be given by the user of the program in four separate prompts. Okay, days, hours, minutes, and seconds. The user will enter a value for each of these four prompts, and those values will be converted if needs be to seconds, and finally we'll add all these seconds up and tell the user how many seconds are in this duration. Okay, so let's begin by setting up some prompts. We'll do days is equals to int input. Please enter the number of days. That's good. Next, let's copy and paste this four times, or three times rather. So we'll do an hours int input. Please enter the number of hours. Moving on, minutes. Int input, please enter the number of minutes. And finally, seconds. Please enter the number of seconds. That's good. Now comes the calculation part. So let's do a total seconds is equals to. Now we can actually proceed to convert. So what we can do is as follows. What we can do is take the number of days, so days, right? And if you didn't know, there are actually 86,400 seconds in one day. So this will effectively convert our days specified by the user into seconds. Next, we want to add this to hours. Let's add it to hours. To calculate hours in seconds, there's actually 3,600 seconds in 1 hour, so that will effectively get that done for us. And as you know, to calculate minutes in seconds, we multiply by 60. Okay, that's good. And finally, we want to add our seconds value to all of this. That's good. And at the end of everything, we'll have a little print statement to the user telling him or her that, they are, let's do a comma, total seconds, comma, seconds in your duration. Okay, finally, let's go ahead and test this program. So control enter. Please enter the number of days. Let's do 2. Number of hours, 13. Number of minutes, 46. Number of seconds, 39. Enter, and excellent. There are oh, that's a large number of seconds. 222,000 seconds in your duration. Kind of surprising if you think about it, because like in 2 days there's 200,000 seconds, which means, can you imagine how many seconds go by every year of our life? Okay, that's really cool. And with that, we've effectively and successfully completed exercise 15. This was a very interesting one, honestly. We calculated the total number of seconds that are present in a certain duration of time. Thanks for your time, guys, and I'll see you in the next YouTube video.